Hey guys, welcome to ProWorks TV. In this video we're working on a Whirlpool washer. If you're having a door latch issue or you can't open your washer, then this is the video for you. Stay tuned. So a couple things I want to mention. This is going to help if you have a F5E1 error code or a F5E2 error code. It's also going to help if you have a door that's stuck like this. This one isn't stuck, but I imagine there's some people out there that are watching this video that have a door stuck and can't open it. I will post a link here where you can go to another video I have that shows you how to get that door open. And in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the latch. First things first is safety. Let's turn off the power to this. You can turn it off here at a breaker, or you can turn it off by just unplugging it from the back. Here's some of the tools you're gonna need. I have a multifunctional screwdriver here. It has a star bit or a Torx bit on the end here. That's gonna help remove the screws of the door latch. I also have this small screwdriver, pair of needle nose pliers, and also these channel lock Vise grip pliers that are gonna help us, and you'll see that later on in the video. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this ring for the seal here. And right there, there's a place where you can put that little screwdriver and just pull up and kind of pull out. It's pretty easy, and it'll pull that ring right off. This is going to allow you to access the door latch there. So there's two wire harnesses that are connected to the door latch. I'm going to show you here in a second how to do that. But first we're going to remove the two screws that hold the latch in. I'm using the Torx bit screwdriver here for this. And once I remove the two screws, I can access the door latch and move it around a little bit better so that I can remove these wire connections. Both the wire connections have little tabs that you have to press to get them to remove. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to break anything. The black one here you press in and pull out, and the white one has a tab that you'll press up on. Now I have the new door latch here, and we're going to install in the reverse order. Very simple. Just going to reconnect the wires and get it screwed on. Okay, so a very important step here. You want to go around and press this rubber seal into the housing of the washer. Just go all the way around the edge. You want to make sure that the rubber seal is nice and flush against the housing. You'll see here in just a second what I'm talking about. So right here you can see this nice and flush against the washer. That's how it should be, going all the way around before you put that ring back on. Okay, so this is probably the most important part, or the trickiest part of this job, is getting this ring back on. Because it has that spring there, it's tight. You can't just use your hands and put this thing on. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna find the right position and put these channel lock pliers to hold it on, but they're not super tight. They're just tight enough to hold that ring there. We don't want to damage the rubber seal or anything, obviously, but once I get this on there, we're gonna stretch that ring so that it can fit all the way around, which you'll see here in just a sec. Here we go, we're gonna position this ring, and I'm gonna use needle nose for this part. You can use that little screwdriver as well, but I feel like you get more control with the needle nose. And I'm catching that spring at the top, and what you're doing here is you want to stretch it and get as much space out of it as you can, and work it right towards back in the center, you know, or the middle part of that rubber gasket, all the way around. This is going to be a tricky part, but you know, please send me a comment or question if you're having trouble with this part. It is the most tricky part of this job, but it can be done. It's just the technique is the main thing. So there you go, the new latch is in, the seal ring is back in, and this washer is repaired and ready to go. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.